Oh, yes. I love cleaning for a reason. I even hooked up with our local hospital in their cancer unit to help the local hospital with that. We even, a lot of like the locals do like bingo to raise more money. I go to them, I donate a basket. So anything really I can do for my town, when it comes to that, I would totally. They have blessed us as a franchise, and the girls that go there and clean, they've blessed us trifold more than they've done, that we've been for them. Yeah, it's a true blessing.
It really caught my attention, like grabbed my attention that my mom passed away because of cancer, and I said like this is for me. I love it. I love that I can do this for someone that is in a situation. I understand where they are, how getting to their house and feel like their house is clean, and also that they feel the support that somebody else care about them and what they're going through, and understand them, and how grateful they are, with us. They really appreciate what we do.
We signed up today.
Yeah. When we heard about it, we said that's such an amazing idea. Coming from a healthcare background, I said, okay, that's genius. Never, when you have someone in hospital, is it who's going to clean their house. It's can you get up the stairs, like all the big things. But like that's it, and especially this is the industry we're in. Why would you not help somebody by doing that? We could easily go and pack bags and shake a bucket. Yeah. Fine. But we have a service to provide. We can help somebody. So when we started and heard about it, we said that's such a good idea. We had a customer call and say, I remembered when you guys helped me. Now, unfortunately, it wasn't us, but in the past, the Orlando office had helped somebody and had called and said, I'm moving into a new home, and I trust you guys to do it. Yeah. So you went out and met with her. I was texting her back and forward. So just to have that, and she remembered us after all that time. Yeah. So then when we knew we were coming here and they were going to be here, I said, this is something that we have to do this time. And we recently had a customer that was putting her service on hold to go to treatment. And I said, this is why we do it. So I said, she has to be our number one. So I hope she will be.